Hey there folks, this is Saul at Autotek, and today we're going to take you through a tour of our new facility. Let's start outside. Well, we've got ample parking, ample room to keep your cars taken care of, and plenty of room to get all the tows in. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. Now when you come inside at Autotek, in our new lobby, we've got plenty of room for you to hang out, relax, spend the time with us, grab a cup of coffee while we're getting a look at your vehicle, and or engage with our staff up front. But where the real things shine is back here. Let's take a look. Now this shop is big, and we can handle it all. Whether your Jeep needs a rear axle, your RAV4 needs a transmission, your Lexus needs a transmission, or maybe your 65 Falcon is just coming in for some resto love. Let's keep going. You might see this color and you go, hey, is that Amazon? It is. Here at Saul's Autotek, we run 365, and that means Amazon uses us for their support. So if you're worried about downtime, the guys that deliver 365 as well, use us to deliver 365. Maybe your Hyundai needs a motor. We can help with that. One thing I really pride ourselves in is our teamwork. Whether it's one of us or all of us, we'll do whatever it takes to keep you guys rolling. Now, maybe your CRV just needs a little tune-up love. We can take care of that too. Or maybe your Astro van that you've been taking care of for 20 years is time for a repower. We can take care of that too. Whether it's with state-of-the-art wheel and tire equipment, literally the best equipment made in the industry, to guarantee that we can service your wheels without a scratch on them, or that we can balance those tires and road force dynamic them out at 130 miles an hour. We'll even give you a digital printout showing that balance perspective. We've really got you taken care of. Now, you've seen our electric Beetle swap, you've seen some of this stuff, but let's really show you what we have the capacity for now. Whether a 3/4 ton truck, a Jeep 3.6 that needs another engine, Toyota FJ Cruiser for their famous clutch issues, Wranglers trying to get through emissions, or maybe your lowered Bentley just needs a little bit of love, we do that too. Did I mention classic Rolls-Royce? What about classic culture? Maybe your 88 Suburban's time for a repower. Or maybe you're just working hard and your tow truck needs a transmission. You might even just be running the roofing crew and keeping that F-350 service going. Or maybe your modified Camry is finally in for some love. Whatever you need, here at Saul's Autotek, we're going to take care of it. Now, we'll fix the car, sure. We'll fix it faster than the other guys, sure. We'll beat their price by 10%, no questions asked, sure. We'll operate 365 days a year, sure. We'll give our guys the best equipment in the industry to take care of you in the best way possible and take care of your car in the best way possible. So really, the only question for us is, why aren't you here yet? If you want to come see our facility, stop by anytime. We have an open door policy, and we'd be happy to give you a tour. Ask any of our staff. Matter of fact, why don't you hang on and wait for our grand opening coming soon. In the meantime, 365-day-a-year auto repair at 303-290-9900. See all these guys cranking on those cars? They could be working on yours.